throughout the day. I firmly believe the more people who follow these guidelines, the sooner we can all be back together. On these first few days of the school year, we're working hard to make sure all of our students have laptops and wireless capability. If you are watching this broadcast through YouTube right now, most likely you have what you need. If you do not have resources that you need to start the school year, please contact our front office at 270-852-7100. This is another reminder that lunch is still available for students while we're under red light. If you are interested in receiving lunch, just show up at any DCPS school Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. All families have been given a QR code for when they pick up meals. Please be sure your parents are loading money into your My School Bucks account to start this year. The pickup times for lunch will be from 11:30 to 12:30 at our front entrance this week. Starting next week, lunch will be picked up at our Gemini drop-off entrance. That is all for today. Don't forget to check into your Google Classrooms at 9:45 for second period, 12:30 for third period, 2 o'clock for fourth period each day. For the time being, your connecting each day is how our teachers will be recording attendance. Hang in there, Eagles. We will get through this year together, one day at a time. We promise to work through any issue that comes up. Keep your head up, stay positive, and let us know how we can help. I will see you tomorrow, same time on this same YouTube link. We will now start scrolling our birthdays today, starting with the first day in August. Let's have a great day today in Eagle Nation. In August. Let's have a great day today in Eagle Nation. In August. Let's have a great day today in Eagle Nation. Have a great day today. Have a great day today. Have a great day today. We thought we would start out our second day also by offering the pledge to the flag. I know this may be awkward for those of you at home, but anybody that wants to follow along, please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's make it a great day today.